Hello people and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about a very different kind of topic, which is basically why you shouldn't be blind with your trust. Why you shouldn't always be trusting people all the time, be it people in your family, be, be it people outside your family, friends, whoever it is. I forgot to give my introduction. My name is Deep Roy Chaudhary, and I'm just a random guy, and I'm just a normal guy who talks about stuff that seems interesting and important to me. And today I'm going to talk about the fact that you should be very careful about trusting people, because there are people out there who will try to con you, who will try to take advantage of your trust, who will try to take advantage of your good nature, and will backstab you on the first chance that they get. Now, does that mean that I'm saying that you shouldn't trust anyone at all, that you shouldn't have good relations with anyone at all, that you shouldn't try to form any kind of close relations with any friend or with any family member or anyone that you want to? I'm not saying that. You should, of course, have good relations with people around you. You should have acquaintances around you. But you also have to recognize the fact that there are people out there who will try to take advantage of you the first chance that you will give them, at the first chance that you will give them. So you have to be very, very careful. Sometimes people are not lucky. Sometimes their luck isn't working out. It's just they're going through a rough patch in their life. So it is quite possible that even though people are intelligent, yet people end up committing mistakes and end up putting faith in the wrong person at the wrong time. It can happen to everyone. Even the strongest of people in the world can have really bad luck in the world. So I would say that it is always better to be very, very careful before trusting anyone, because you do not know what kind of people are there in this world. You do not know what kind of people are out there. So many people have so many point of views. So many people will try to tempt you in certain ways. They will say, invest in my company, and you will rise to the stars. You will earn a ton of money. But at the end of the day, let's just be honest. There are so many stories about people conning other people running away with ordinary people's investments, ordinary people's money. Because they just pretended to open a company, but the company wasn't doing anything, and the amount of money that was invested in that company was just taken away. Someone just ran away with all that money. It happens quite a lot around the world. In various countries, there are various examples of people doing these kinds of stuff. So, if people are telling you that to give me this amount of money, I will make you earn $1 billion. Be very, very careful, because there are so many people that are out there who are trying to do bad stuff, who are trying to really, really just harm you in every possible way, and not just monetarily, not just financially, but there are many other people who will pretend to be your friends, who will be there for you as long as you are going through the good times, as long as you have as long as you are inviting them for a party, as long as you are having the time of your life. You would think that I'm surrounded by all these people, and you would think that great, my life is going great, I have so many friends, I am all these people love me, adore me, I shower praises on me. They will be the most sweet-tongued people in the world, but behind your back they might say certain other things about you. They might have certain very different opinions about you. So it is quite possible that these people who will pretend to be your friends, quote unquote friends, they are nothing but just just there to take advantage of you. If you are going through good times, they will just suck all that they can get out of you, be it financially or on any other front. They will just suck out all the advantages that they can get from you, and once you hit the rough patch in your life, they will just leave you at the first hint of you going through a bad phase in your life. and they won't be there for you. They won't be there to help you. They won't be there to have to be with you, to be uh, to to be there for you in any possible manner. There are people like that, and I know it's very tough to be paranoid, or I would say it's very tough to be so, it's very tough to be so discriminatory about people. To It's very tough to always be vigilant about who is trying to take advantage of me, who is trying to who is an actual friend and who is just pretending to be a friend. It's very hard to do that. I know, I can understand that, but I mean, I know it gets uh, sometimes people might say that, you know what, at least it's better to surround yourself with fake friends, just because, you will have the feeling that you are surrounded by people, and you will think that, at least I'm not alone. There are people like that who will just surround themselves with fake people, just for the sake of not being alone in the room. But I think it would be fair to say that even those people will feel the pangs of loneliness and the pangs of uh, of just not having anyone close to them, not having any friend in reality, sooner or later. It's just the way the life. It's just the way life works. What can we say? What can I say? More on this in the next video. Until then, please consider liking this video, please consider sharing this video with your friends and acquaintances, and please consider subscribing to my channel. That would help me a lot. Until the next video, stay safe, goodbye, and God bless you.